Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, I'm quoting that Bangkok's BOI bureaucracy. Well, what are we talking about here? I saw this and I thought it was worth a comment after reading a recent article in the Pattaya Mail, pattayamail.com. Been reading a lot of Pattaya Mail lately, got to be honest with you. They've really been providing the best, been one of the best sources of information that I've been reading here recently, so hats off to those folks. This article is titled, Pattaya's Retirees Unlikely to Apply for a Golden Visa. I'm going to quote an excerpt here, but there's a lot more information in there. It's really worth reading for those who are interested. Quote, in seeking to promote Thailand to the super rich and or highly paid professionals, authorities have to compete with other Asian countries. Singapore has introduced its Overseas Networks and Expertise Pass, which offers a 5-year visa to top earners. Indonesia is offering remote workers, digital nomads, a straightforward no-tax deal, whilst Malaysia's long-established second home program is easier to digest than Bangkok's BOI bureaucracy. So, yeah, sort of the reason for the video, the gist of it is, you know, is there a BOI bureaucracy? And I would say, yeah, that it's there. Now, it's navigable to those who sort of know how to deal with it. We've dealt with BOI over the years in the past, and yeah, I don't really have anything against BOI. It just kind of is what it is. At the end of the day, it has a function. It has to do its due diligence. You know, it has a mandate, which is to promote certain types of businesses and to ensure that those businesses bring as much benefit to Thailand as possible. In the case of these so-called LTR visas, I think that much of that same scrutiny is going to be applied. You know, as the person that's possibly going to get this visa, are they quote unquote bringing something to the table? Now that said, yeah, look, for those who have never dealt with bureaucracy here in Thailand, it's not like anything you've seen anywhere else. It's different, and for good or ill. You know, I'm kind of used to it now after 15 years, and I just kind of shrug my shoulders when people get upset about it. But you know, it is different. I do get it. If you come from not here, you are going to see differences in how that works. But long story short, is it completely cumbersome bureaucracy? Well, reasonable people may disagree. I know folks that have their opinions and they're pretty negative. But overall, I mean, I think BOI does try in good faith to do their job. And, you know, at the end of the day, they do process cases and things do get BOI approval, and you know, there are benefits to be had.